We are very tired, but today is a very big day. We are sending our car off to Sema. Feels like we're sending our kid off to like homecoming or something. So we're stopping by the shop right now to check out the wrap, but the truck is about to be here to pick it up, and then off to Las Vegas it goes. We did do a custom wide body kit with Performance Lab Detroit, who we also did the Hellcat swap Challenger RT with.
That's also gonna be at Sema.
Yes. We basically just arrived at the shop, and let's go in and check out how the car's looking, or truck. I guess it's a car, it's lowered, it's wide bodied now.
Is this the only spot for me?
Anyways, you guys see this big boy right here? That goes all the way into the trunk. That right there is a bed cover. Last minute Sema shenanigans. If you've ever done a Sema build, I'm sure you know what that's all about.
Long story short, they sent us the wrong cover. It was a 5-foot bed cover and we need a 6-foot, so.
Did they send the wrong
Stop.
one?
No.
Or did you order the wrong one?
No.
Let's go check it out. Oh boy.
Is that under the?
That is under the car currently. Doing some, oh, we haven't even shown them the car yet. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Ed, you're gonna have to wait. This is basically the final product. It's got the matte black base layer on the Frontier. Custom wide body done by Performance Lab Detroit. Hey there, Spetty.
Hi, what's up?
What up? So, funny story is we took the back bumper guard off of the car, and it looked absolutely amazing without it on. And I was like, can we do something where we don't have to put it back on? So
Eddie Freddy
has been working away at making a cool ass, what would you call that?
It's called a roll pan.
Roll pan, and it looks great now. It looks so much more aggressive. This thing looks like it's a rally car, let's be honest. But check this out. We got the exhaust coming out the side, the car's lowered, wide bodied. We got Matt. How was your sleep last night? Minimal?
Yes.
So here we got the bed frame cover. She's all rolled up, and we're about to get her installed over the bed, which is currently pretty dirty. Some behind the scenes for you guys. So this is badass. Wanna give us a 10-second rundown?
So this is
10 seconds is up.
Sprint-Tech just put a supercharger on it. It has as much horsepower as having a V8.
Alrighty. Got those super deep dish wheels. Talk about a negative offset, huh?
So, super simple bolt on.
Oh wow. That's like a little baby supercharger.
It's a baby engine.
That's fair. That's sweet.
Probably my favorite Jeep I've ever seen here.
Let's get to work. This is a view. We've been here for quite a bit. We're finishing up the bed cover and just some last final touches. And we're just running on no sleep right now. We haven't ate anything.
The reason why we're adding some final touches is because the truck driver called us and told us that he is going to be actually putting us last on the list to pick up the vehicle on the enclosed carry truck. So we're like, all right, let's just make it even more nicer than it already is.
It's enclosed?
Yeah. So we're like, let's just make the truck nicer than it already is.
I didn't know it was enclosed. That's going to be interesting, especially how wide the Frontier is now. But anyways, off to go grab a bite. We got a WRX STI, Christina ducking, and a nice Defender. I love the Defenders, by the way, but we're at Kimchi Box. We're about to eat good real quick. I forgot to record the food, but I mean, here's the leftovers.
Here's me picking at my food.
This is true. This is how she actually eats in public.
So good. These bread is so good. The Sun just came out with the article.
There she is.
You can have whatever you want.
Okay, I'll add pumpkin spice, and do you guys have like a marshmallow?
I wish.
What is this from? Like, what show?
The Simpsons, maybe?
Yes, that's what it was.
You are slow sometimes. All right, it is that time. It's time to pull the Frontier out into the wilderness for the first time since it's been wrapped. We're gonna pull out the Frontier for some media and some shots. Oh yeah. There she is. There she is, boys. But we ended up taking out the front adapters for clearance issues with the truck, but we're gonna put them back on once it arrives at Sema in Las Vegas. Oh yeah. Look at that fitment. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Back she goes with the new fitment. It looks so funny without the adapters on there. I'm thinking, let's go this way. get some shots. Let's get some B-roll shots. Dude, this thing is so mean. Guys, this car looks so good.
So, I don't know if Grant has told you guys this already. Well, by the way, the sun is setting and we need some of our pictures with the car loaded. So you need to go drive it to the semi-truck over there.
This windshield banner looks so much better than the other one.
Yeah, oh my gosh. I don't know if he showed you guys the other one, but this one is so much better. It's not, it doesn't scream at you. It fits the car.
I'm gonna back that ass up to the truck.
The reason why we have these spacers off is just because of clearance issues in case the transport truck needs that clearance. Here is what the truck looks like, and it's going into that transfer truck.
We're letting Matt do the honors of driving the truck onto the trailer here. We do have a NASCAR style trailer here that's just gonna lift her up, put her in the back, and it is enclosed, thank God. This is a first for us, man. Heck yeah. First SEMA build.
I can't wait to sleep.
Me too, I'm very tired. We're very sleep deprived, per usual, but it's okay. Because we get to experience cool things like this, so no complaints. In case you were wondering, it is pretty much an empty trailer. There is a Ford Lightning up top, and I think that is the electric one. Like the new old electric Ford Lightning up there. But yeah, now we're adding a second pickup to that bunch. Wow. Uh-oh. This is nerve-wracking. He said wow, meaning we might have a problem. Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right, take two, we're trying this again. This is very nerve-wracking. We might have to take the rear spacers off. All right, back into the shop we go. All right, she's back from SEMA. You said what? This is wider than a TRX, you think?
Amazing.
Yeah, because a TRX would get on there no problem. Oh yeah, she's off the ground now, boys. We got the ladies and gents putting in work back here. All right, you know what they say, 2 times the charm. What? That's not what they say? This looks so terrible without the spacers. Oh yeah. We did it. I was scared that it was like, we're gonna have to get like some custom flatbed tow truck or something. Christina grabbing her pictures. Nice, dude, this is crazy.
We're not gonna see it until Vegas.
I know. I'm pretty sure there's a spider crawling down my spine right now, but I'm holding both cameras.
What? No, it's your necklace.
Oh, it's my necklace. Oh, there she goes.
Time to go home and sleep.
All right, let's go. She's peeking out. Wow, what a night.
What's that? So it's gonna be at the show already. Crazy. Cool. Yeah,
There you guys have it. We're not gonna see, and you guys are not gonna see the Frontier until we get to Vegas. So
yes, but
hopefully it's still in like one piece when it's there.
Right, honestly, and it looks so much better with the wheel spacers and adapters on. But anyways, the truck is loaded onto the truck. It's so weird saying that. And I guess that's the end of the video.
We hope you guys really enjoyed it. I can't wait to sleep.
Me too, man. We're tired, we're cold. We shouldn't be in a good mood right now, but we kind of are. So anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Please like and sub, and you guys know the deal. Peace out.